So good evening everybody. It's from Jayashree. I'm going to take biology for engineers. The topic is what? Mitosis, that is meiosis and sexual reproduction. So let us see what do you mean by meiosis and the reproduction. Okay. This is what the flow chart of this meiosis and sexual reproduction. This is what life cycle of this flow chart of this meiosis. The first one is what diploid organism, that is it is formed by the 2n. From the diploid cell the ovaries are present, which is also the 2 number of n, and testes 2n, and meiosis, it forms this gametate. Gametate may be either it may be egg or sperm, and finally it go to the fertilization, zygote, and finally it forms this diploid organisms. This is the life cycle of this meiosis and sexual reproduction. So let us see genetic variation in diploid organisms. Fusion of sperm and egg results in unique offspring. But not only because of young are the product of two individuals with different genetic makeup. Meiosis also shuffles the genes so that an individual gametates are generally different from one another. This is what genetic variation of the stage, and this is what the meiosis stage: interphase, prophase 1, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. In telophase the two daughter cells is formed. Again from the two daughter cell, these 4 daughter cells are formed. Next one is what genetic shuffling of meiosis 1. In addition to the new combination of chromosome resulting from fertilization, there are also events in meiosis 1 that shuffles the genes. Number 1 is what? Crossing over in prophase 1. Number 2 is what? Independent assortment in metaphase 2. So let us see what are the two crossing over take place in genetic shuffling. So homologous break at identical location, then rejoin opposite partners. This creates new combination of alleles on each chromosome. It occurs randomly several times of every chromosome. So that is what this A, G, C and CM, that is what male gametite, and this is what this blue color is indicated by this female gametite, and finally this C1 and C2 form this AG, and C form this daughter chromosome. So next one is what we already seen the genetic shuffling take place, crossing over of prophase 1 and independent assortment. This is what the independent assortment in metaphase 2. In possibility 1 and possibility 2, two equal probable arrangements of chromosome at metaphase 1, metaphase 2 and gametates. So there is one possibility is nothing but without crossing over, this blue and red gives the individual chromosome, thus it gives the 4 daughter cells. Next possibility is what? Crossing over this red chromatin, this chromosome, along with this blue chromosome, and finally this will cross over in the metaphase 2. In metaphase we already know that it will align in the equatorial line. So this forms this metaphase stage 2 in the possibility 2, and this metaphase 2 in this case forms 4 combination. This 4 combination contains either male, that is red or blue or red, or red blue or red blue. So which forms this 4 daughter cells which are unique to this parent cell. that is form this. This is the main function of this meiosis stage. So that's all about this. We seen this crossing over phase 1, independent assortment. In crossing over, the same gametates form this different form is X, whereas independent assortment there are two cases, mixing and crossing over. So thank you all. Have a great day.